So I've been getting a number of people to reach out to me, some prior students, some people are brand new wanting to know about my courses and my prices and the monthly fees. Whether or not you guys got the memo or not, we only have one fee, and that's one join fee, that's it. We no longer have ongoing fees. So when you get connected with me, whether it's on the US 30 side or the 3-in-1 membership, there's only one fee. Okay. Now, if you choose the 3-in-1 membership, you could then upgrade to the US 30 by paying the difference. But you do have 15 days to actually make the upgrade. All right. So, but generally, most students, they go with the US 30 where there's no need to upgrade. So there's only one fee. Okay. So I want to make sure we have that clear. And please know that our Telegram is all built in the price of you joining. So when you join the US 30 Assassins Club, you get instantly connected to our Telegram. And the same thing is going to be when I finally launch the NASDAQ. It'll be the same thing. One price, okay? And then you'll have access to all the material along with, of course, the NASDAQ Telegram. Okay, so I think that it's very important that you guys know that. That way, I don't mind answering questions, but I want to make sure that we're, go over to the website, the SolarEasyForex.com website, check out the prices, go to the memberships page and check out the prices, and you'll see everything that I'm telling you here. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much what I wanted to tell you guys in this video. For those of you all who have been hitting me up and we've been talking about you guys joining, I'm telling you, you will find that it's well worth your money. A big decrease in price, where at one point, in order to get lifetime on a US 30, students were paying $5,000, $6,000. All right. And we didn't have a Telegram, but now we have a Telegram, which is baked into the cost of you joining, which is one fee, no ongoing fees. And the price done dropped by 400% or 500%. So it's really a no-brainer, well worth it. So listen, just to tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. And as always, remember to remain and stay prayed in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Peace and blessings, everyone.